As they searched, a little bird flew down and perched on Bo-Peep's shoulder. "Tweet tweet," it chirped. "I saw your sheep." They wandered into the forest, following a butterfly. Bo-Peep's face lit up with hope. "Thank you, little bird," she said, and she quickly led the villagers into the forest. The forest was cool and shady, and the sunlight peeked through the leaves, creating a dappled pattern on the ground. Bo-Peep and the villagers carefully made their way through the trees, listening for any sound of the sheep. After walking for a while, they heard a soft baa, baa in the distance. Bo-Peep's heart leaped with joy. "That's them. That's my sheep," she cried, and she ran towards the sound. When Bo-Peep reached a small clearing, she found her sheep gathered around a sparkling brook, drinking water and nibbling on the lush grass. They looked up as she approached, their tails wagging happily. "Oh, my dear sheep," Bo-Peep said, relieved. "I'm so glad I found you. I was so worried." The sheep gathered around her, and she hugged them close. The villagers smiled and cheered, happy that Bo-Peep had found her sheep. "They just needed a little adventure," said the blacksmith with a chuckle. Bo-Peep thanked the villagers for their help, and they all made their way back to the village, with the sheep following closely behind. That evening, Bo-Peep made sure her sheep were safely tucked in their cozy pen, with plenty of hay to keep them warm. As the stars twinkled in the night sky, Bo-Peep sat by the pen and sang a lullaby to her sheep. "Even if you wander, I'll always find you," she whispered softly. From that day on, Bo-Peep kept a closer watch on her sheep, but she wasn't upset with them for wandering off. She knew that sometimes, everyone needs a little adventure. And no matter where her sheep went, she would always be there to bring them home. And so, little Bo-Peep learned that with a little patience, kindness, and help from friends, everything would be alright in the end.